Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. Now, I am blessed to have internet so I can make a video anytime and uh, easy to make a video and upload the video. So I was eating this one and everybody eat like this, but for me it's like it's they said you need to eat these seeds because it's anti-cancer and it's a lot of what do you call this, um, there is like medicine, no? But when I try bite here and eat like that, I feel like not good. So most of them here are eating this one, so I try again. You judge it. Let's try. mm. Mm. For swallow only, because if you are going to bad, ah, oh my god, it's itchy to, it's like very not good, no? So that's they said it's anti-cancer, so they eat, no? But no, I don't like. It's like it's tang, no? This is the Filipino how to eat the papaya, province girl. At the back. So not bad. Simoy Domingo. Taran! No spoon, no fork. Finish. Thank you for watching.